What is going on, guys? Dippin Diesel back. We are sitting in the new project truck. If you guys missed the last two videos, I'll have them linked down below in a playlist where you can go check them out. The first video was picking this truck up. It is a 2001 Dodge Ram 2500. Gotta stay in the second gen life, man. I had to pick another one up. We're gonna be doing some crazy things to this thing, so definitely stay tuned. But if you guys missed the last couple of videos, first one was picking it up. The second video was cleaning the interior, man. This thing looks so clean. Obviously we have to get a new dash bezel, a new dash, and yeah, so that's what the front looks like, the dash looks like. We cleaned up this part where the airbag is, the glove box is all clean. Clean this up. This is not a new one, but it's a newer one that was in here. The other one was broken. That one's all cleaned up, you know. Everything's looking good. The floors, vinyl floors. I love these floors just because they're so easy to clean. The leather seats came out amazing. The only thing, if you guys know a way to reconnect these or get a new one that's able to be, you know, put up the way it's supposed to be, I'm not sure. Let me know if you guys have any tips and tricks for that. Maybe some super glue or something. I don't know. But the seats came out amazing. There's under the back. It came out a lot better than I was expecting it to come out. You know, there's a ton of trash in here. Go check out that video, man. It came out amazing. Definitely go check that out after this video. But today we're gonna be doing the outside of the truck, man. I put this door on last video. It still has a little bit of tweaking to do. There are some gaps. I didn't put any washers because I didn't have any washers. You know, the big washers. It has a washer on there, but not the big washer, so the door's kind of misaligned a little bit. We'll hop out and give you guys a preview of what it looks like before, and then we'll hop into the car wash and get this baby clean. All right, bear with me on the wind for a couple minutes, guys. We got the whole truck prepped and ready to be pressure washed. You guys just saw that we went ahead and took out the intercooler and the radiator just so we can have a better angle at getting all this grease out of here. Those had to be taken out and cleaned up anyway. This is actually the pile of all the parts that need to be cleaned. Intercooler, radiator, airbox, boost tubes, the front cross member for the hood, the cowl, some more boost tubes. This whole engine bay's got to be degreased and pressure washed, so I have everything taped off that I don't want water getting into. This isn't taped off, but it's alright if water gets in the cooling system. It's not gonna make a big deal. Got this taped off so no water gets inside of the engine. All the bolts are snug down. This one was missing one right here, but I had an extra one for my truck, so I just put one in. Everything should be good to go right here. I still have to cover up this fuse panel, actually. I'll get another plastic bag and cover that up. But yeah, the truck is ready. The bed is ready. I don't think this bed actually looks too bad. Doesn't look like there's any big dents in it. I think with some new bed liner, this thing would look pretty good. You know, the sides are all beat up, but that could be sanded down. This would be bed linered anyway. But I'm ready to see this truck without all this dirt on it. So anyway, let's start pressure washing. All right guys, there it is, man. It's getting really chilly outside, but we finally got the truck done. Looks good. I think it looks pretty good. Kind of figured that the truck didn't have any clear coat just from feeling it before. So it kind of looks glossy now, but it's not going to look like that after it dries. We're going to have to figure something out with that. Maybe sand it down and add some 2K clear or something. But from before and after, I think it turned out pretty good. In this engine bay, we're just running out of daylight, and we just couldn't get to all of it today. But you know, from the before and after pictures, I think it's going to turn out pretty good.
Looks a lot better than it did, man.
Yeah,
people may say it still looks bad, but they should have seen it before.
Yeah, the sides definitely cleaned up really good. The bed cleaned up pretty good. We got all the junk out of the bed. There are some goodies inside this toolbox. Man, there's tons of goodies in that toolbox. I haven't gone through it yet because my trash can weighs like 300. But yeah, there it is. This is the brand new project truck. I might have mentioned it before, but we're going to be turning this into a street truck. And it should be really fun, you know, hood stacking it, big turbo, big injectors, probably keeping it the same height, but trying to tuck some 33s or something underneath it with some Nito 420s, and just make this a really fun truck to drive. Probably a truck to drive to get pulled over, but but yeah, that's pretty much it. You got anything else to say, Caleb? I'm kind of cold just standing here. I can barely even...
I mean, I'm freezing, but it's been fun so far and a lot of progress in the first 2 days.
Yeah, so the next thing that we're going to be doing...
You showed them the interior already in this video?
Yeah, I showed it. But pretty much what we do on the channel when we pick up a brand new truck, the first thing we got to do is detail it. Or the first thing we got to do is get it home. Next thing we do is detail it. And then the next step after that is getting it started. So... in the next video, we're going to be looking over the engine and seeing what we need to purchase from the auto parts store. You know, there's a lot of stuff. Just off the bat, we're going to have to either get an AC delete pulley or that pulley right there. I guess we can flip it around and use the non-AC belt for it, since it doesn't have an AC compressor. We're going to need a thermostat housing, thermostat, see anything with the cooling. We got the boost tubes, we got an air filter, we're gonna need 2 new batteries. You think you should get a... No, it should be fine.
It'd be good.
Yeah, we're just gonna go over everything that we're gonna need in the next video, so definitely guys stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to Paradox. Caleb, his link will be down below. Appreciate him giving me a hand today. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace.